Top 5 skills that made me a millionaire in a year. Becoming a millionaire in a year is an impressive feat, and it likely involved a combination of skills and strategies. While I can't know the exact details of your journey, here are 5 skills that often contribute to rapid financial success. Entrepreneurial mindset. This includes the ability to identify opportunities, take calculated risks, and persevere through challenges. It involves a strong work ethic, creativity, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. Financial literacy, understanding how money works, including budgeting, investing, and managing debt, is crucial. This skill enables you to make informed decisions that can significantly impact your wealth accumulation. Effective communication, the ability to articulate your ideas clearly and persuasively, is essential for building relationships, closing deals, and inspiring others. Strong communication skills can help you navigate complex situations and negotiate favorable terms. Adaptability and resilience. The business landscape is constantly changing, and successful entrepreneurs need to be able to pivot and adjust their strategies accordingly. Resilience allows you to bounce back from setbacks and learn from your mistakes. Sales and marketing. Whether you're selling a product, service, or yourself, understanding the principles of sales and marketing is invaluable. This includes knowing how to identify your target audience, create compelling messaging, and build a strong brand. Remember, becoming a millionaire in a year is an exceptional achievement. It often involves a unique set of circumstances and a combination of skills that may not be directly applicable to everyone. However, by focusing on these core skills, you can increase your chances of achieving your financial goals.